Hi, this is Kaisar from Rank Ninja. Welcome back with another new video. And today's video is for those people who are struggling to get new customer for their auto repair shop business. In my previous video, I have showed you how to create a killer ad copy for your auto repair shop business. If you haven't watched the video, please check that. And today's video, I will share you how to pick top performing keyword for your search ad so that you can reach your targeted customer easily with the minimum CPC and your ad spend return on ad spend will increase. So let's start it. But before that, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel which will inspire me to create new videos for you. So there are many tools for keyword research, but I will show you the free tools provided by Google, and the tool is very efficient. You know, Google search ad is a ad that work based on customer search. So the word customer search for is the keyword. Maybe a customer search for auto repair shop near me. So this is a keyword. So you have to pick the top performing keyword for reaching to your targeted customer. But there are different type of keyword. You have to pick the buying keyword. There are maybe some informal keyword, and the people who search using informational keyword and visit your website, they might not need your product. They just want to know about something or your product or service. An example of a informational keyword may be, what does check engine light mean? So if a user search using this keyword, it means that he don't want to buy from your shop. He just want to know something. But if a user search using check engine light diagnosis shop near me, it means this person need this service. So in this case, this is called buying keyword or transactional keyword or commercial keyword, and this one is informational keyword. So your goal is to make sales of your service, so you have to target the buying keyword. So how do you find that? Let's check out. Before that, if you need any help regarding Google search campaign or digital marketing or website design and development, you can contact with me. You will find my contact details just below in the video description. I have more than 3 years of experience on managing digital marketing campaign and website. I have helped several business to grow in online. Some of them are auto repair shop industry, home cleaning service, landscaping, and real estate sector. So let's go to Ad Manager, that is ads.google.com, and click sign in, select your ad account, and now wait for loading. Here is the ad account, and today I will show using this website. So you have to target your address. This shop situated in California, so we have to target that. So go to tools, planning, and keyword planner. and select discover new keyword and change the location to California. Here you have to input your business state. Okay. Now you can search using your keyword. You may provide initially three keywords here. So one keyword may be auto repair shop, another keyword may be vehicle repair shop, another is auto repair mechanics. Alright, now here you have to enter a website. It will help Google to understand about the business and generate the specific keyword. In this case, you can put your own website or you can put anyone website who has similar business like auto repair shop business. Now click get result and it may take a few seconds, so let's wait. Look here, it is showing almost 1459 keyword ideas, but we wouldn't pick all the keyword. We will pick the buying keyword. So for making thing easy, click the download button and export the keyword in a CSV file. So let's wait for downloading the file. Right, the file has been downloaded. Now I'm opening the file. Okay. Okay, now give me a few seconds to arrange the thing. We do not need currency. It is USD average monthly, 3-month change, year of year competition index value. Don't need this. Top of the page, average impression. We do not need any of this column. This is unnecessary in this case. So let's format it. Okay, sign up and now format as table. Okay. Okay, this is basically the keyword people are searching for. This is the average monthly searches, means the average time of monthly searches of this keyword. And this is 3-month changes percentage. This is year to year changes. This is the competition low. Competition low means if you use this keyword, you can easily show your ad in top of the page. And here is the top of the page bid. Low range 2.01 means $2.01 and top of the page bid high rate is $7. It means the bidding. If you want to show your ad in top of the page using this keyword, you have to place minimum bid of 2.01 USD. Okay, now for choosing keyword, you have to first notice about the search volume. Pick a keyword with a gentle amount of search volume and then competition level low medium is good, so try to uh, pick low. So like this keyword, it is a good keyword. You can choose this vehicle repair shop. For this search volume is very low, but 3-month changes is 29%. So you can also pick this because the search volume is increasing than the past 3 months. Auto repair mechanics, you can pick this, and auto repair shop near me. It means someone is searching for auto repair shop because he need this service that time. So this is highly recommended to pick this type of keyword. And auto repair near me, you can also pick this one. Best auto repair, this is also good keyword. Car repair near me, it is also good keyword. Auto repair auto shop near me, you can pick this also. Automotive repair near me, this is also good keyword. Mechanic shop near me, you can also pick this. Auto mechanic near me, this is also good. Automotive repair, okay, this has a um, bigger search volume with low competition, so you can take this. Car maintenance near me, you can pick this. Automotive shop near me, you can also pick this. Vehicle repair near me, here the search volume is very large and 3-month changes is high and year-to-year changes is also high and competition is low, so this keyword is most important. Auto mechanic shop near me, you can also pick this. And cheap car repair near me, you can pick this. Car engine repair near me. Okay, in this way you have to pick the keyword, the buying keyword. Like if a people searching for auto repair shop near me, it suggests that he is searching nearest auto repair shop for repairing his car. So if you choose this type of keyword, then you can reach to your potential customer with a very low cost. So your return on ad spend will be very high, and you have to use this keyword as phrase match type. It is recommended to use the keyword in phrase match type and pick at least 25 to 30 keywords. There are several myths that someone says you can pick 7 keyword, you can pick 8 keyword, but there is no recommendation by Google. You can pick as much keyword as you want, but it is best to pick 25 to 30 phrase match keyword. If you don't know what is phrase match keyword, I have also another video on my channel about keyword match type. You can check that. So in this way, you can create your ad search ad for your auto repair shop business and reach to your potential customer. So good luck. I will be back with another new video with you. Till then, bye bye, and here is my contact information. If you need any help, once again you can contact with me.